So now we'll be seeing the features of Tally. First one of the leading accounting packages. So Tally Tally Solutions is a MNC which has bought the accounting package in the year 1988, and it has released several versions of its software, with the latest being the Tally ERP 9 with the GST included. Then second one, no account code. That is, Tally does not require any code or for using the data. Third one, complete business solution. It is a comprehensive package that is used for every transaction. That is, it can enter accounts only, it can manage stock inventory details, it can process payroll, it can process GST transactions and GST reports. So for all the processes or all the functions, only one software or one accounting package is needed. Fourth one, integrated but non-integrated accounting and inventory. Integrated means combining. So that is, there are two types of companies. One is a trading company which does not have stock or which does not have inventory, and another, there are companies which have stock. So trading companies which do not have stock, they just need the profit, loss or sales, etc. But those companies which have inventory, they need the data regarding how much purchased, that is, what all stock items are there, pen, pencil, computer, etc. They need the details of each and every inventory item. So either we can use accounts only, or we can use accounts with inventory. So this facility of integrating the accounts with the inventory is available in Tally. Fifth one, multi-platform availability. Tally is available on Windows 95, 98, 2007, 10. It is a single PC. It will run on a single PC or a network. Sixth one, import and export of data. Tally data can be exported to other programs, and Tally data can be imported from other programs. Seventh one, ODBC or Open Database Connectivity Compliance. So what is Open Database Connectivity? So the goal of ODBC is actually to make it possible to access any data from any application, regardless of which database management system is handling a data. That is, ODBC compliant database means it is a type of software that is uses this connectivity in order to be able to exchange information with other databases. So ODBC compliance means we can exchange information between different softwares. So ODBC compliance in Tally means that Tally can access data or connect with those softwares which are ODBC compliant, and they can extract data or they can use data from those softwares directly. So other programs having ODBC compliance like MS Excel, Oracle, etc. can directly use the Tally data. Any updations in Tally data will appear in other programs in real time. Then, eighth one, multilingual capability. Tally extends to 12 languages, including 9 Indian languages. That is, you can use Tally in different languages. Ninth one, email facility. That is, from the Tally application itself, you can directly email any Tally document or report. Instead of moving or closing the Tally software, you can directly email. 10th one also is the same, that is direct web browser access. That is, instead of closing the Tally and using a web browser, we can directly access the browser while logging on to Tally software. The website lists details of all facilities offered by Tally. The user can also download the latest release of Tally as and when it is available. The Tally website also offers Tally chat, by which a user can communicate with a Tally representative and get required information. So direct web browser means you can directly access the Tally website while working on Tally, and you can access the details offered in the website. 11th point, online help. That is, by pressing Alt H, you get online help. That is, in every software you can see an option of online help which will be clearing our doubts. So like that, Tally also has a feature of online help. Then synchronization. Synchronization means Tally helps to exchange the data between two or more locations. That is, it helps to exchange the data between maybe two branches, maybe a head office and a branch, maybe between different networks. So it helps to exchange the data between different locations. 13th, protocol support. Tally provides protocol support for HTTP, HTTPS, FTP, SMTP, etc. Then flexible and ease of use. Tally users need not change the way their businesses run to adopt to the package. That is, it is flexible and it is easy to use. Then 15th point is versatility. That is, be it a small shop, be it a big MNC, Tally is suitable for all the organization. 16th one, user defined security levels. User defined security levels means, that is, we know that in Tally all the persons using Tally software, every person using this Tally software is using the same software. That is, whether it is an accountant, whether it is a CEO, all the persons in the organization are using the same software. So an accountant needs to only enter the data, but an auditor needs to view the data. So based on the requirements of each person, you can actually restrict the access in Tally, and you can give individual user ID and passwords, different user ID and passwords to each individual persons can be given. So thereafter, unauthorized access to the data can be prevented. 17th one, real-time processing. So immediate posting and updation of the books of accounts as soon as the transactions are entered are available. That is, if suppose we understood that we made an error, so we go to that document and change it. At that moment itself, which all documents are accessing that data, the updations will occur in all those documents at that time itself. So it also facilitates real-time multi-user environment. Power. Power means it enables the users to maintain multiple companies, multiple currencies, multiple languages, etc. It also allows drill down facility from report level to transaction level. This will be seeing, that is, drill down facility means, suppose we have displayed a balance sheet in Tally. By clicking the enter button, we can move to the voucher level, that is, from the purchases in the profit and loss account, or from the balance sheet we can enter into the vouchers also. We can display reports, and we can move further down to the most single level, that is the ledger level also. So that is the drill down facility, which I'll be showing with the screen of Tally. The 19th is the Tally.net. So Tally.net is an enabling framework which establishes a connection through which the remote user can access the client's data without copying or transferring the data. Then 20th point, remote access. Tally 9 promotes remote capabilities to access the data from anywhere and anytime. 21st feature, control center. So control center works as an interface between the user and Tally 9 installed at different sites, and enables the user to centrally configure and administer site where user belonging to an account. So that were the features of Tally. Thank you.